Hey, what is going on, dudes? Welcome back to another video. So, you guys may be wondering, 2 uploads in one day? Yes, I'm a good YouTuber. So, today, I am actually on Minecraft for the first time in a bit. But, this is actually a tutorial video, so yeah, no bad words. Sorry. But, this is gonna be, as you can tell by the title, and I'm guessing you clicked on this video for that. Anyway, this is how to bolt click in Minecraft, and I'm totally not just doing a tutorial for views. Anyway, so if you guys don't know what bolt clicking is, it's basically drag clicking on a surface, and then you flip your mouse over, put your finger on, like, here's a little side, so if hang on, sorry guys, let me just make my webcam full size, yeah, whatever, this works. So, now you can see, so basically what you do is, I'm gonna have it on side. So you put your finger, like your middle finger, or whatever finger you're gonna use to drag click, you would use that finger and put it on whichever side of the mouse you want. It works with either one. I'm going to be working with left click today, and I can do right click in a future video if you guys want to see it. I do not suggest doing this on high pixel due to you being able to click almost over 100 CPS, and you will most definitely get banned for an auto clicker, so I do not suggest doing this on any server that has a really good anti-cheat. And alright, let's hop into this. So, what I'm going to do is I have some water right next to me, so I'm going to dip my finger in the water, because that helps me drag click on my mouse here. I'm going to move my, never mind, I'm not. I was going to move my mic closer to my mouse pad, so you could hear it, but I'm not going to. So, this is, hang on, let me go back to game. I'm going to minimize this. Alright, so now we're back in the game. And take a look at my CPS counter. I haven't done this in a while. It'll take a few attempts before you get it. Alright, that was 1. It's not easy. Okay, 30. The highest I've clicked is actually 69 CPS. Alright, 45. But yeah, that's about the gist of it. There you go, 40 again. So, how I'm doing this is, if you don't know how to drag click, check out my other video, how to drag click with the glorious Model O. Now I use just grip tape because I don't have any more tape, but that's fine. So, if you guys know how to drag click, do that same motion on your desk as you would. I need a liquid on my finger to do it. I'm doing this on my mouse pad, but I think it's easier on a desk, but I can show you guys both ways. So this way is on the mouse pad. So I do have a HyperX mouse pad, so it's pretty cool. And I'm going to get my finger wet. So now my finger is wet, and this is me normal drag clicking. Can't do it very well on left click, but if I do it on my desk, it works perfectly. So then I flip my mouse over, completely upside down. I put my hand under it, and I put my middle finger, like my middle finger knuckle, my second knuckle, right, like this guy, right on the left click. Make sure my finger's wet enough to drag click, and then it should work. You don't want to push your mouse too hard against your finger or it will not work, but you don't want it to be too light or it won't work either. So I guess you don't want to apply much pressure. This hand is just securing the mouse in place. It's not pushing it down at all, because it can't be clicked. As you can see, I'm pushing it down too hard in the keystrokes, and that is showing that I'm just pushing down too hard, and it's not going to work. I can't do it. It's not going to work. But then as you can see, my finger's down, and then now it's working. So it may take you guys a few attempts to get really high CPS. I know that the Glorious Model O wireless, any Rocat or something like that, any of those would work. There's a lot of mice that it works on. I'm not sure if it would work on an office mouse, but you guys can try this out. I know this works on the Glorious Model O, Model O Wireless, Model D, Model O minus, and that's all I know that it works on. That is pretty much the end of the video. I'll do it one more time. Oh, wait, never mind. Ignore me. Now I'm going to kind of move my camera a little bit. So, gosh, I'm an idiot. Alright, just gonna flip this up. Back to game. Alright, so now, here's my desk. Here's my hand. This is my mouse, this is my hand. So, it's the same way. Get your finger wet. Make sure you're kind of drag clicking. And if you guys don't know how to drag click on a table, you do not want to push your finger down really hard. It's really light. You're not applying much pressure at all. You just kind of drag it across your desk. If anything, first you kind of just want to normally go, like not even trying to drag click, just a light motion. And eventually, once there's enough friction, it'll start doing that. And you might need a liquid or something, but this is it with, I'm in F1, great. I am going to go on here. Wow, 2000 FPS, nice. I do not suggest doing it on a surface that I'm doing it on right now. This is extremely smooth. Over here is a lot less smooth. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna reposition my camera. Okay, so I know you guys might not be able to see a difference, but I can. So, this has a lot more friction, so this should work better. Get out of F1. As you can see, it might take a few tries before you finally get it. But I am consistently, mainly getting over, there we go, 40. There we go. This is just for me. I'm saying I go on the tip of my finger. I cannot do it with this flat part of my finger. I can only do it with the tip. I cannot do it with this flat part. So, that's just me, but, that's really it. Yes, I got pretty high CPS. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video there. If you guys did enjoy, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. Road to 1,000 subs, I guess. Alright, peace.